In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the bands off of a Fitbit watch. Before you start, I'd recommend you just shutting it down completely, because if you don't, it'll start vibrating and everything else. So on each side that's holding the band to the watch is a metal piece, a straight metal piece, that almost looks like a police baton. If you've ever seen one of those, it's like a 45-degree angle. And so what it is, that's what's holding the bands on each side. So to release that bar, only thing you have to do is you'll see like a little metal pin right here. Right there. You can see it. So what I want to do is push the metal bar towards the body, towards me, as I'm pulling on the band. So I'm going to push it towards my body, and then I can feel it unhinged there. So you can see that. And then pull it out from this end. So I don't know how well you can see, but there's two holes on each side. There's one here and there's one here. So there's two holes. You can see that hole right there. And so what happens is that bar will fit into both of these holes. So that's to get it out. Now to put it back in, you want to have the band angled like this, almost like a 45-degree angle. You don't want to have it up here or up here. You want to have it more like this. And what you're going to do is this part, the pin here, will be the last part that you put in. So I want to first put in this part, and it's going to line up from the back on the right side of the hole here. So there's one hole here, and it is a tight fit. So I'm going to feel around to where I can get that pin in the hole, and I feel it, and you could feel it move in. And then what I want to do is pull this part of the bar again back, like how you put it back in, towards the body of the watch. And as I do that, I want to try to squeeze this back in here. So as you see, you have to actually have the band almost at a 45-degree angle from the watch, like this, like this. And you might have to pull down to get a snug fit. And it might take a couple of times. I'm going to try again, like this. And there it goes. All right, I hope I helped, and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.